The primary goal of Power BI is to solve a business challenge. And that business challenge is that they want to enable self-service business intelligence solutions for everyday business users with the ease and use of familiarity of a tool they already use, Excel. Once you're used to using Excel, you're going to be able to move up that chain of maturity very quickly to offering more advanced capabilities than you'd have otherwise. So finally, what I'd like you guys to see as we dive into the examples, we're going to show off some of the features, then we're going to have a live demo to show you those in real time. But broadly speaking, remember, all of the capabilities in Excel are great for doing that discovery and analysis, but as soon as you want to share it, that's where you're going to use the 365 Power BI sites to do that. And all of this, if you take away one thing from this webinar, all of this is available for a free preview if you go to www.office.com/Power BI. So we're going to dive into the Excel side of the coin first. One of the first tools that's baked into Excel is a tool called Power Query. Power Query allows you to go out and find data. That data could be on the internet. That data could be in a database in your environment. It could be on an Excel worksheet sitting on your laptop. It could be an Exchange server or a Facebook server or even an HD Insight service or Hadoop. All of those data sources can be queried by Power Query and hooked into your data model. And that's one of the most powerful features of Power Query, is that before you had to think, where was I going to be able to get the data? Now with Power Query, you can actually publish a corporate catalog of all the data sources in your environment to make it very easy to surface where that data is within your existing system. Once you've queried that data, you can do repeatable processes to clean it up. Many of the people I know who are business analysts spend a majority of their time performing very, very rote tasks, changing the names of columns, changing the types of columns, building custom columns. That sort of work is drudgery, data drudgery. With Power Query, you can automate those tasks to ensure that as the underlying data sources change, you don't have to go back and re-clean up the data. It does it on the fly for you. It's an incredibly powerful feature that I'm going to show off for you in a minute. All of those sources that you connect to with Power Query can be linked with the new in-memory module in Excel 2013. This allows you to set up relationships within those existing data sources. I might be grabbing an Excel worksheet and hooking it into my CRM system. I might be grabbing my HR system and hooking it into another line of business app that's developed, or even a flat file database or an Access database. Once I've modeled those relationships out, I can then grab the insights that are a result of that.